So you're tired of constant alerts on your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max? So here's the fastest way to turn off all notifications or silence them anytime on iOS 26. So first you have to go to your settings, then notifications, and here you have to scroll all the way to apps, and you can turn off notifications for each apps you don't want alerts from. And now to disable all notifications at once, just from your settings again, go to focus, and from do not disturb, you can choose specific or people to silence, set a time limit, and customize what's important for you. Now to enable it, back from here, and from your control center, go for focus, then tap on do not disturb, and that's it. All notifications will be turned off on your iPhone for the selected time. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Thanks for watching.